In this video, we are going to see how we can zoom in Google Sheets data without zooming in the menu sizes or zooming in the browser. Because a lot of people get confused in Google Sheets. In Excel, there is an option on the right to zoom the Sheets data from here. But in Google Sheets, if we increase the size of the browser, although it looks like it is increasing the size of the data as well, and it's much more readable, but just notice the menu sizes. It's too large and it occupies a lot of space, and that is not how you do it. So just reduce the size of the browser to the standard, which is 100%. And we only need to zoom in the data. Click on the View tab, click on Zoom, and whatever zoom you want to set, it will show it like that. And that is how you do it. You can see the menu size remain intact and the data is now zoomed in. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.